Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth transition using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my project on CapCut and I'm going to show you how we can create the smooth transition. So guys, first of all, I'm going to add keyframe to my clips. I'm going to add keyframe to this clip. And then I'm going to apply the curve. Wait, let me add keyframe to the beginning and also to the end like this, and you can zoom in. And then for the second clip, just do the same. Add keyframes and add keyframe and zoom in. Okay, and then we're going to add curve, guys. You can select this curve. For the first clip, I suggest you to choose this one, Rebound in. And then for the next clip, we're going to try the Rebound out. Okay, like this. I'm going to play it, guys. Okay, and wait, I forgot one thing. We need to add the pull-in transition. I'm going to search pull-in. Okay, and you can add this one, pull-in, but pull-in 2 is better. But if you don't have CapCut Pro, you can use pull-in 1. Okay, done. And I'm going to click on the check mark. And let's play it one more time. Okay, that was smooth. And I'm going to play it one more time, guys. Okay, cool. You just need to use keyframes and also pull in transition. And then you can add effect or filter, or it's up to you. But this is how you can create the smooth transition using CapCut. Okay guys, and that's how you can create smooth transition using CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!